I'm so high and I'm so low. I don't wanna worry about it so low. I don't wanna say gotta do it so low, so low. Low quality mga rickshaw. Low quality print. So, expectation versus reality. Well, it's very cheap though. This one's very cheap though. So, that's why expectation versus reality. Panguran. Daily grind since day one. Low quality. Medium, small, gamay kayo. Low quality. Catski. I'm so high and I'm so low. Nobody so low. I don't want to rock this earth. I gotta do it. So what is up mga ka-tech shop, no? So as you can see mga tech shop, nagipalit na ko sa Shopee. Catski design, no? Catski yung design ni mga ka-tech shop. Ito ipakita be. It's a Catski sa Naruto ba? Kaya idol na ko si Itachi Uchiha. So mo siya yung design mga ka-tech shop. But low quality yung print mga ka-tech shop. Low quality ragayo, pero okay na niya mga ka-tech shop. Kaya ano, ang presyo ni is tag 165. Mga inana, mga 200 mga ka-tech shop. But ang quality niya low ragid siya, but that's okay. It is what it is mga ka-tech shop, no? So ako lang ibutang sa description ng link kung asan ako palit ang item. Let's go!